That my little shawty, that my little baby, that my little shawty, oh, that my little baby, that my little shawty, oh, that my little baby, that my little shawty, shawty, that my little baby,
that my little shawty, that my little baby. She so finesse, she so physique.
Perfect. Baby, put your makeup on and get ready, and get ready.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Erica Denise, and today's video is going to be another makeup tutorial. Today's look is going to be using the It's My Raye palette. I just recently picked it up and I was like, let me do like a little review tutorial type thing. Basically, I just have this like halo eye going on. It's my first attempt, so you know, kudos to me. And right now I'm just gonna like do some poses and stuff so y'all can see how bomb this fucking makeup is. Now today I went to work, so I have primer on, tons of highlight, you can see. Just highlight though, because you can see all this. And I did my eyebrows. These are eyelash extensions I did on myself. And the highlighter I have on right now, like all right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, literally everywhere you can see, is the highlighter that comes in her palette. It comes with 12 eyeshadows, 3 highlighters, and 3 like highlight contour shades. This whole thing was $22.50 or something like that. So for one, had to get it. I'll probably stop talking and just start using the palette, and I'm just really excited to see like how pigmented or how workable the colors are.
Breathe me in, taste my words, let me blow your mind.
It's day 9, I pull up 6:45. You still getting ready, no pressure. Baby, take your time, you elegant and fine. Glad that you mine, worthy of waiting, applying the beauty techniques. The final touches always leave me weak, there's no rush in the process. You say it's gotta be perfect every single time. Each step is taken with care. I know that you care. The time you put in, I'm aware. You look amazing, there's no doubt about it. Applying foundation to God's creation, you're a sight to see. I appreciate you taking the time to look good for me.
And as well as we're gonna blend. So also when she was doing it, like also when I see a lot of YouTubers do it, or like makeup artists, like they just be everywhere because they know like it's gonna come together at the end. Like yes, like it's, and try to like blend this top line out because you can see like it's like a perfect. We don't like that. I'm just gonna wing it, like wing it out, fluff it out, just to make sure.
We'll sing until the break of dawn, to the lovely notes inside.
So now I'm gonna go in with a more detailed brush. I'm scared, bro. I'm scared. I think I'm gonna go in. With Midnight.
Come lay down, you're looking luscious. No attention to the time. Nothing's perfect when you rush it. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale this feeling to the fullest. Oh, if we're late, please don't shout. We'll just have to bite the bullet. Girl, I want you to
with Spice, which is the lightest color that we had. And we're gonna go in and blend out that dark brown color. Unblended, do not leave it like this. Mostly blended.
You're 7, you still getting ready, no pressure. Baby, take your time, you elegant and fine. Glad that you mine, worthy of waiting, applying the beauty techniques. The final touches always leave me weak, there's no rush in the process. You say it's gotta be perfect every single time. Each step is taken with care, I know that you care. The time you put in, I'm aware. You look amazing, there's no doubt about it. Applying foundation.
I'm gonna go in with
You're a sight to see. I appreciate you taking the time to look good.
Angel and pop that on there.
Taste my words, let me blow your mind. Breathe, breathe me in. Taste my words, let me blow your mind. Perfect. Baby, put your makeup on and get ready, and get ready. Baby, put your makeup on and get ready, and get ready.
Gonna go in with that midnight color. I'm gonna put it right up underneath my eye.
I can give you what you wanted.
And then I'm gonna go in with Spice and blend it out.
Moreover, I eat leftovers, so let's start. Finish in the morning. Ease your mind, don't undermine. Come lay down,
So I'm gonna be using lip gloss from Victoria's Secret. It's called Mocktail Hour. It also smells so fucking good. I'm gonna douse it up. Yes, douse.
If we're late, please don't shout.
Shoulda did a highlight contour because this shit is popping.
Girl, I want you to breathe me in, taste my words, let me blow your mind. That my little shawty, that my little baby, that my little shawty, oh, that my little